someone asks for a light bulb, what they really want is light. Manufacturers sometimes miss that important fact. We missed it a few years ago when we began an initiative to develop a new right-angle gearbox for the cooling tower industry. I'm Roman Whita, Industry Business Manager for Air and Unit Handling.
And I'm Rich Schaefer, Product Manager for Variable Speed Motors. When we talked to customers about what they wanted in a gearbox, they actually told us the last thing they wanted was a new gearbox. What they really wanted was something that would reduce maintenance on their cooling tower systems, and most of that maintenance was related to the gearbox. We listened to our customers. We went back to the drawing board. After several years of development, we came up with a solution that not only reduced maintenance, but also created several other big benefits. In this video, we're going to talk about the solution replacing your right-angle gearbox with other components with a new designed motor and variable frequency drive, or VFD.
The typical cooling tower includes a horizontal NEMA motor connected to the fan via a drive shaft, disc couplings, and a right-angle gearbox. That mechanical drive system is a source of constant maintenance headaches in many applications. The Baldor Solution is an RPM AC motor. It's a vertical motor that is really something special, with 4 features that adapted perfectly for cooling tower fans. First, it's a high torque, low profile permanent magnet motor that has 0 slip and is much more efficient than NEMA motors. Second, the stator body is a thin laminated frame that removes heat more efficiently and results in a smaller, more power dense motor. Thirdly, the windings are protected by an enhanced vacuum pressure impregnated resin. This is the same type of treatment applied to motors used in offshore drill rigs and other severe applications. The resin completely penetrates the windings, filling the air voids and protecting the windings from damage even in wet, humid environments. And finally, the corrosion-resistant paint and special sealing along the drive end shaft enables the motor to tolerate the high humidity inside the tower. The motor is specifically designed to be placed directly in the cooling tower airstream.
When used with a variable frequency drive, the motor and drive combination eliminates the need for a gearbox and runs the motor at the optimum speed needed to cool the circulating water. We developed a special bottom bracket that matches the footprint of many common gearbox designs. This makes the motor a fast and simple replacement for existing gearboxes. To handle the high axial fan thrust loads, we used high thrust capacity bearings in the bottom bracket. The nature of VFDs is that they enable variable speed. If you're converting your fan from fixed to variable speed and reduce the average speed by only 20% over the duty cycle, you can expect energy savings of 50%. The savings can be even greater depending upon your application and duty cycle. The cooling tower drive is designed to run the motor with open loop control. The drive's user interface is simple and designed exclusively for cooling tower applications. The drive accepts a variety of building automation control protocols, making it easy to integrate into existing systems. Another time saver is the fact that unlike most permanent magnet motors, ours doesn't require additional connections for feedback to the drive. Eliminating this feedback connection also increases system reliability. A final benefit was a pleasant surprise when these motors and drives were first installed. Compared to traditional mechanical drive systems, the motor is quieter, much quieter. One installation, we reduced the noise level from 82 to 60 decibels. For office buildings, hospitals, schools, or installations near residential areas, reducing the noise level can be a huge benefit.
Whether you're interested in reducing the time your maintenance people spend repairing mechanical drive systems, significantly cutting your energy costs, or creating a considerably quieter cooling system, a Baldor motor and drive combination could be the right solution for you.